Hey Tech Explorers! Welcome back to Astro Tech, your gateway to the future of technology, innovation, and digital trends. If you love gadgets, AI, space tech, coding, and everything next-gen, you're in the right place. I'm Sam, and in today's video, we're diving into something exciting. So stay tuned, and let's explore the future together. What if I told you that the reason you can see this video right now is because of a tiny, one-eyed creature that lived 600 million years ago? Long before dinosaurs, before trees, before bones. This strange organism had just a single light-sensitive eye, and somehow it helped shape the complex human eyes we use today. Let's travel back to the dawn of vision. 600 million years ago, Earth looked nothing like it does today. No forests, no animals walking on land. Life existed only in the oceans. Among these early creatures were simple, soft-bodied organisms, including a tiny marine larva known as the bilaterian ancestor, the common ancestor of almost all animals today. And many of these early animals shared something extraordinary: a primitive, single eye-like structure called an ocellus. This eye wasn't anything like ours. It couldn't form images. It couldn't detect color. It couldn't see detail. It could only sense light and darkness, but that was revolutionary. By detecting light, this tiny organism could move towards sunlight for energy, avoid predators casting shadows, navigate its environment more effectively. That simple light-sensitive patch changed everything. Here's where it gets incredible. The same master control gene that helped form that primitive eye still exists in you today. It's called PAX6. Scientists call it the master eye gene because it controls the development of eyes across the animal kingdom. Humans have it. Octopuses have it. Fruit flies have it. In fact, when researchers inserted the human version of PAX6 into a fruit fly, it triggered the growth of a fully formed fly eye. That means the genetic instructions for building eyes have been conserved for over 500 million years. Your eyes are built using ancient biological software. About 540 million years ago, something dramatic happened: the Cambrian Explosion. Suddenly, complex life forms burst onto the scene, and many of them had eyes. Predators evolved better vision, prey evolved better camouflage, an evolutionary arms race began. Creatures like Anomalocaris developed advanced compound eyes. Early arthropods like Trilobita had some of the first sophisticated visual systems. Vision reshaped life on Earth, and it all traces back to that original light-sensitive structure. The earliest ancestors of humans likely had a single central light-sensing structure. Over time, evolution duplicated and modified it. One became two. Two moved apart. Depth perception was born. Eventually, complex structures developed: corneas, lenses, retinas, neural connections to a growing brain. Your retina still contains photoreceptor cells, rods and cones, that operate on the same fundamental principle as that ancient ocellus. Light hits a molecule. A chemical reaction happens. A signal travels to the brain. Same logic. New hardware. This story tells us something profound. Evolution doesn't invent from scratch. It modifies, refines, reuses. Your eyes are not a brand new invention. They are the latest version of a 600-million-year-old biological design. Every time you see a sunset, read a book, or recognize a face, you are using a system that began as a tiny light sensor drifting in an ancient ocean. So the next time someone says humans are separate from nature, remember, your vision, your ability to see the stars, the ocean, this screen, is a direct inheritance from a one-eyed marine creature that lived before complex life even existed. And in a way, you're still seeing the world through its eyes. Thanks for watching AstroTech. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing tech content. See you in the next video. Stay curious, stay innovative.